So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to set up Mac OS in your VMware. Okay, so for setting up Mac OS, search for Mac OS ISO download, then download the ISO first. Okay, you will get a archive browser site, and then go inside. You will see at the right side ISO images. Okay, click on ISO images. You will see many type of ISO images. For a stable one to run on any system, if you want to take the flavor of Mac, okay, then you can go with Big Sur. Okay, or you can go with Montre. Or if you have a very good configuration of system, okay, your configuration of system is good, then you can go with something greater like 15 or 14 Sonoma. Okay, so like that you can choose and download accordingly. Then you need to download one more thing, which is unlocker. Okay, so by default VMware has didn't get an option to run Mac OS. Okay, if we will run this script unlocker, then only it will allow Mac OS and all to run in VMware, okay, as a virtual machine. Okay, after for downloading, you can need to go there and then go in releases and then download the zip file directly. And then after downloading the zip file, you just need to extract the zip file. After you will get one file inside. Okay, just extract it here in your download folder. Okay, yeah, it's done. After extracting it, you will see something like Linux, Windows and all. Okay, go in Windows and run that unlock.exe file. Okay, if you will run that exe file, you will need to hit enter inside. Okay, you will see something like tap hit enter. Okay, enter key to continue. If you will not hit enter, then this script will not work, as I have already done it. Okay, so I'm not doing it again. Now open your VMware and choose for the ISO file which you have downloaded. Okay, go in downloads folder and choose the ISO file. Here it is 12. Okay, Montre 12. Okay, so for the version it is 12. If you don't know the version, you just need to check there. Okay, it is 12, 13 or something like that. Okay, as per your choice. Now here I am choosing the version here. Okay, if you don't know the version, as I have told already, you can see the name of that particular ISO file and you can check the version. Okay, here it is 12. Okay, then you can continue again, then go and do next. Okay, choose here Apple Mac OS. Okay, give the name here and choose the location accordingly. Okay, and then give allot a storage of around 100 gig. Okay, 100 gig or 100 GB. Okay, that's enough, as I am going with 120. Okay, and then you need to see something like for the customization of hardware, you can do it around 4 cores or 6 GB of RAM is required mandatory, so go with that. Okay, and you must have 16 GB of RAM in your system, okay, for running it. Okay, if you have 8, then it can run, but if you can face some problem there. Okay, here the Apple logo is there, and by default I will go with English. And then here you need to choose something else, like a different thing. Here disk utility. Okay, go in disk utility and choose their VMware SATA hard drive. Okay, and then you need to check the storage there. It's 128. Okay, as you have selected, and it's taken a round of figure. To click on erase and then give the name and then done. Okay, after doing it, go and cut this particular page and go back. Okay, after going back, you will choose the option install Mac OS Monterey. Okay, continue. It will be different as per your version you have chosen. Okay, go continue with it. If it will take some time, agree with the terms and all. Okay, after agreeing, you need to choose the hard drive again, choose it and do continue. Okay, after doing continue, you have to wait again for some time. Okay, and then you need to choose the country region, accordingly choose it, and then spoken language and all. Okay, continue. And here you need to not now, I'm giving not now. Accordingly do the settings as per your choice. Okay, then migration assistant, as I am continuing, and Apple ID I will set up later. Okay, so here I am setting up later. Then sign in Apple ID, all with the terms and conditions are there, so go with the terms and conditions I have read. Okay, agree there, and then go with the create a computer account. Okay, so create it. Okay, and then continue. After continuing, you will see something like use location, don't use. I am giving don't use, as per your choice. Go do everything as per your choice. Okay, then continue. By the time zone, set up later screen time. Okay, then here you will choose for the light dark auto theme. Okay, so here choose the default one, light. Okay, so here it is now done. We have successfully inside in Mac OS. Okay, so let's see if it's working fine. Yeah, it's working. Let's go in terminal. So hopefully you like this video, guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye. Please like and subscribe.